How to turn off and disable visual search on Microsoft OneDrive. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to OneDrive. As you can see, this is the home page now right here. Go down and click on Me option down here. Now click on Settings right here. After you click on Settings, it will take you to this page. Scroll down until you find the visual search option right here. Click on it and now click here and you turn it off the visual search option. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.